Right, so we've got this lovely Mercedes A45S in 4 calipers, courtesy of Shades Wraps. We don't usually show this because we don't usually have time, because it's quite a quick turnaround job. So this is how we mask up your vehicle when we're doing the calipers. We don't take them off. Some companies do, but we decide not to, because obviously when you put them back together you can do damage, and there's nothing worse than having a perfect paint job with touch-ups. We're going to cut the logos as well. We've got some in stock which are close, but we want exact, precise measurements, as always, with everything we do. So as you can see, we've done all the masking. I'll do some close-ups so you can see them as well. But yeah, so these are going yellow, and my aim is obviously to do them as OEM as we can. So I'll show you the front ones. Yeah, so as we come around the front, you can see we've masked up all the bolts. Masked up everything, all the pad carriers, everything, so we are getting no overspray on this one. Within a blink of an eye, it will be yellow. We don't show that process because we've got our own way of doing it. We've got our own paints, we've got a certain process which we've found works best for us. And as much as I love you all, I don't wish to as much as I love you all, I don't want to share. Right, so just like that, calipers are yellow. I'm really pleased with this job, looks great. We've really gone to town making sure all the decals are exactly the same size, they're in exactly the same place. We always do anyway, but we wanted to go the extra mile. All the sliders are clear as they should be, none of the rubber's got anything on. We'll show you the front as well so you can see all the bolts. But yeah, customer's going to be happy with this. So as you can see, all the sliders are clear. The logo is exactly the same size. Measured and cut it here in house. Now jump round to the front. And see how the bolts are nice and clean.